Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of The Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram and I'm going to be sharing a little trick. Simply head over to your profile from the bottom right side of your screen and you can see I have followers on top and following. So let's say I follow someone and I want to check if that particular person is following me back. So for that, what you can do is simply head over to that person's profile and now head over to his followings like this. If you can see yourself on the top in following of that particular person, it means that he is following you. And if that particular person is not following you, he might not be showing up on the top. So let's say if I select anyone else from the list and maybe he is not following me, so if I head over to his followers, you can see this follows me as well. And also if I head over to another person, you can see this particular person follows me as well. So all the people or guys who just follows me will be showing up at the top, and if he is not showing up at the top, it means that he is not following you, and it is just that simple. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share around with your friends. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.